Provision? What? Coming to the issue of provision, I would like the world to see the daughter of the vice chancellor going hungry. You know? Is it possible?
No, now. Daddy, I want just for provisions. The last time, even though you gave her restrictions, I don't mind. I want a phone, Samsung phone.
Samsung? No.
Yeah.
Samsung is very costly. You know, one Samsung can buy two things. So, and there is this very beautiful latest modern techno iPhone.
Hey, Daddy, you're coming in with your treats. I don't want tech. I want Samsung.
You said?
Is it necessary?
No, he's a senior girl now.
Hey, Angela.
Honestly, I don't think I need anything. I still have my position and my phone is still good. Just pay my school fees now.
Thank you. I have a good girl.
That's my girl.
You see this girl?
Daddy, I'm waiting for provision. Can you please use it to get me clothes, shoes, and I want a human hair.
You see? I'm money. I'm provision. America girl.
No,
Yes.
I'll be not taking you to America.
Yeah.
But for now, I want a human hair. Daddy, that's this latest can. I saw it in Twitter. No, in Instagram. My friend's phone. Jim Basic, you're going to school.
You guys should better know.
Oh.
Did you read that?
No. Let me tell you, every one of you, if you pass the good result, I will do whatever you ask. And if you don't do that, you will come to the field. No.
But it seems everybody here is making a choice and ordering things. I guess I'm exceptional.
No.
My son.
You are the only son I have. So whatever I have is yours. You don't have to fight with them here. All of them will go. Very soon now I will be collecting money.
Dad, please, we can get some.
They better go. They are just
Oh,
children.
wait.
Stop that.
Please, Dad, don't mind that. Okay. Daddy, I have something to say. Mom, Dad, I have something to say. Hello. I want to make a confession. Someone in this house is kicking your meat. Yes or no?
I guess you have.
I will be here and they will sell me. I don't know.
Ezeke, what in they happen?
The line just tell me switched off.
Maybe her phone Larry battery they low. Her phone they low.
Jennifer battery they low. When you know say today me and I get waka to one lecturer for her carryover.
Jennifer get carryover for this campus.
Brother, one lecturer when they fear face, when they hear my name, they give my girl carryover.
No, the lecturer they craze. I don't know say Jenny na you get for this campus.
My guy, I go there. See that lecturer, I go kick him ass pretty nice. He go understand my name for this campus.
Chai, silencer. You know how they be now.
Tell me and Jennifer don't work for this campus for the past 5 months.
So,
where everything, where they breathe, between the 4 corner walls of this campus, you know.
They know say that you attach him. They know.
So the man won't try me. He don't call me, and I go answer that.
That's so. He go see.
Give my girl carry.
The silencer, the executioner of the black cats, the kingmaker, the chukuchuku presidency. Now you know the two. I bet Pina.
You know something. Now you they drop my name. You go they move to my blood. You understand? They come to my medulla.
Now you be the silencer. If you lack nobody in face, na silence.
That man, that lecturer.
He go down.
There has never been a rain without the ground knowing about it. So virus and Isikaba, who are the heat that claimed the lives of 2 of my men. I hate repeating myself. If I dare repeat myself again, I'll kill someone I will bury. Now start talking.
My execution. I think those guys were actually acting on our interest. But unfortunately, they took the wrong talent. Sorry.
You see that? You're spinning a yarn. For all I care, virus, you're spinning a garden yarn. Now, Isikaba, come on, spin your own yarn. Tell me what happened. Who are the heat on our rival that claimed life of 2 of my men?
It's okay. Dodorima for you. I can do it.
That's all. That's all you can say. That's all you can give me for an answer. Now listen up. For the very last time, I'm alarming this as a warning to every black cat. If such should repeat itself, I'm going to do something that I will live to regret. If it happens again, then I'll make you understand the meaning of my name. Silencer. Ah! Friends! I want to be alone.
Silencer. We'll put it down in so some more. Silencer.
I'm gonna play my wing. And I don't care what happens to anything in 2 legs under the sun. When I can cut my mother's throat for my personality. When I can kill my father to uphold the honor of black cats. Then imagine what I can do to you dogs.
Rugged, rugged, I am a disobey you, supreme my executive. I beg make you no vex. I'm wrong. My point wow. A rugged man, a rugged man, a rugged man, a rugged man. A popo man, a popo man, a popo man, a popo man. You know before size, oh. A rugged man, a rugged man, a popo man, a popo man. A rugged man, a rugged.
We are bastard. Come on, lie down.
Know before size.
What the hell is wrong with Jennifer now? This is quite unlike her. Having her phone switched off when she knew we have a date. Oh, God damn. God. What? No. 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 No.
Hey, go inside. I can't go inside.
Okay. Okay. You got the cost. You got the content for it. Okay.
My executioner. These people don't do. They don't do, I swear. They kill Scooby. No talk. They kill Noni. You say make we keep quiet. They kill Ebwe. They kill Chaplet. We don't do anything. They still kill Ebwe. We don't retaliate. Now they still go straight to your babe. Our stepmama. Stepmama where would they see? Without minding the kind of fury we can unleash. They don't send our venom. Now your babe, 9 day rape. Rape finish, kill him on top. They don't reach when they don't reach. We be say we go ask them. What think be a problem? If they cannot. They can. I'm not crying because I want to cry. I'm not shedding tears because I'm a weakling. But see these tears, why they drop like this? I they cry for their mama because of how we unleash. It go touch every angle, their relation, uncle, brother, anybody will be. I don't see my tears, they're expensive. It's priceless.
Cairo. Why do you call this number?
I hope you got my message.
You're messing with the wrong guy, Caesar. Touching my girl is stepping on time bomb.
And so was my cousin. When the VC paid you and your boys to eliminate my cousin, you shouldn't have taken the job. So you see, it's an eye for an eye. Your girlfriend, she was just a collateral damage.
Hey, listen up, my friend. I know what you want. And I got what you want. You want war, you gotta get war.
Oh, you're still planning. How happened in Amman? The Red King has started.
Ezekiel, Dodolima for you. Dodolima for you, Ezekiel.
Your father is busy. Your father is busy. Shut up! Only him. Only all of them. Shut up! Hey! This is AK49 for 009. Come inside. Police you. When I get for you,
What is serious? going to introduce myself. My name is Caesar, Archangel of Death. Whether you survive or you die depends on your father.
Okay.
Let's just go right there.
You shut up! My first one, the cop, the cop. Look at me. Behind you, AK49.
I'm going to run there.
Forward. On my right hand side is cross and down.
From my point one.
These are not your everyday friends. What am I saying? Now, like I said, father. Right? Yeah. You survive or you die. All depends on him. So don't hold anything against me. I don't have anything against you, bro. As for me, you go home and see. It depends on your father. So I have to make a call.
Shut up, fear my control is capping, you are talking. My control is capping and you are talking.
Now shut your eyes. Close your eyes, all of you. Close. You want to see God? You want to see God?
Who is this?
My name is Caesar, the Archangel of Death. I'm sure you've heard of this name, but unfortunately we've not met one-on-one. But that's okay. I believe we're going to meet pretty soon.
Why are you calling this line?
If I were you, I'll show some respect.
Why should I show respect to a cultist, a murderer? Let me tell you, the blood of innocent children you murdered, you will pay with your own blood.
I could say the same to you, for all the people you've killed too. But that is not why I called you. I called you because I have 3 of your daughters in my possession. And I have a demand. My first demand is this. Silencer, your messenger of death. I want him to graduate from this institution and leave the school for me. Secondly, you, the VC of this institution, should resign from your office. Or better still, just die. I don't care how you do it, just find a way and die. Now listen, if by tomorrow you are still the VC of this school, I am going to parcel one of your daughters to you, dead.
Sir, look into my eyes while I give you my words. Because eyes don't lie. Don't worry. I will bring your family back unharmed.
Silencer, how are you going to bring them back for me? And you heard him say that if by tomorrow I'm still the VC in the school, that he's going to send the body of my daughter to me. What do you expect me to do? He even insisted that you must leave the school.
Sir, don't mind those empty threats. It's just a garden bluff. He'll do no such thing. I will intercept him. Trust me.
Okay, let me agree with you. But when are you bringing my family?
Sir, listen to me once again. Don't worry. I know what to do.
But remember that he said by tomorrow that he will kill my daughter. And I don't want that to happen. Eh?
Sir, you're worrying for nothing. I know what to do. Trust me.
Yes, detective. Please, I want to see you. It's an urgent man, please. Okay, when are you coming? No, it's alright, please. It's a very serious matter.
Let's do this! You cocksucker bastards! Why the hell are you running? No. Take him out for this man. No. You don't have to. Because I bet they're taking the girls off line of fire. They won't hurt them. Okay? Oh, please. Choir master, why not go sing again? Choir master. I said, come back against my attention. Come on. Back against this man. This man go sing the master. This man go sing the master.
Silencer. I can hear you. Please tell me, my family said. They moved my family away. How? I don't understand.
Yes.
How? What does that mean?
G1, Machine Gun Pereira.
The other VC thinks that we're joking.
Bastard!
sent his messengers to us. How? Send him in this. Rocket! Rocket! Now, get up.
No, sir.
Hey! Move! One of you move! You take one! No! Get up! Hey! Hey! Come on! Come on, smile! Smile for me! Ayos! Ayos! Hey, come here!
You're just a clock. You have no power to tell me what to do. You don't have that authority.
Great Red King.
Oh, okay.
Great Red King.
Oh, okay.
Disaster. My other bastard.
Want that.
Hey, Kaizuma. Hey.
No.
Hey, why you watching? Five woman. Leave a 5 woman, make it feel.
Please.
No.
Oh!
Your father criminal. Thunder will fire at you. Okolosi. AK49 was 009 Beijing Company. He gets here more. This I go play with you here. We stop for Kappa for you in your mouth. I'm going to one day. I'm going to one day. See, if that is not done, I will make sure I bring the particles of the remaining daughter with us. Cut that into pieces. Great kings, rise is past and on.
If cross and die.
That's all.
See you again.
Rise up!
I go bust you.
That's all.
Rise it!
Until you get away again, you can walk you.
Come in face, make I see.
Look at the face.
Come in face, make I see.
Let's go to this.
Give me face, make I see. Hold the face. Jesus Christ. Great kings!
I'm very sorry, but don't worry. They will soon be apprehended. I fixed my best men in the search. I promise you, your wife and your other daughter will be fine. You know, this is our job. It's the only job we know how to do best. So trust me, okay? Let me go and join them in the search. I will give you a call as soon as I get them. It's all right. All right? It's okay. Thank you very much for your cooperation.
Oh well, sir. Shit happens in a bullshit world. I'm sorry about everything. Letter of expulsion? So you want me out of the school?
Yes.
Okay?
I will report you to the police. I'm not only that. I will reveal to the
Wait, if my garden ears are pretty okay, like you said you will report me to the police, and then reveal my real identity. Oh, for devil's sake. I bet you've never encountered a bad guy like me in your whole life. You only know me as Silencer, but you're yet to know the depth of my name. Now listen up. I've got an ace of an advantage over you. Since you have decided to lose my respect, I'm going to reveal to them that you are the XYZ of this fraternity. And of course, you are our patron. I tell you something, Mr. Vixie. I don't put any exception to my reputation. I can slit my mother's throat for my personality. Imagine what I can do to you messing with me.
You must live to save my family. You must live. I've said it.
To save your family, sir, resign from your position. If you think you damn well love your family, kiss this office goodbye. Oh shit.
Hello. Hello?
It is past 10 a.m. You will find the body of your wife in the answer gates.
No, please, no, please, no.
Kingsmakers! There is no longer a need that we are 12 one from who call themselves Red Kings. Well, it's funny to me because I wonder who made them king. Whereas here, well, I want to say my Viro. Virus, are you dead? Please enlighten the house based on the plan on the ground. Black Cats! Kingmakers! Black Cats! Kingmakers!
Like my executioner rightly said, we are at war. And we must fight.
Yes.
The red bastards have the temerity, the nerves, the infantry, the kidney to whip our executioners back to death.
Without minding how dangerous our venoms.
The Red Kings have sent so many of our men to afterlife.
Hallelujah!
Without mercy. We've buried. We've mourned. We've cried over the loss of our dear ones. And I, for one, I said no! I do not want to bury any of our men anymore.
Yes.
It is their turn to bury and mourn, just like the way we've done. So as it stands now, anybody will lose guard. I will collect them.
That one enter.
We are ready. We are ready to kill.
Yes!
We are ready to kill. That is the plan of round. The executioner.
Black Cats!
Kingmakers.
Black Cats!
Kingmakers.
I see. Singing the song of Hoja. Never you hang your legs in the face of death. Ratahu, Ratahu. It's the voice of the gods. The day shall come, and there will be no moon, no sun, and no earth for you to trample on. Tell me, what will you do that day to survive? What will you do? But brothers, I want to assure you that I, point one, small Red Kings, will forever be with you. I will always be with you. It's you. Tomorrow will be a remarkable day. Tomorrow will mark the end of the Black Cats in this campus. I want you all to leave here today like there is no tomorrow. For when you survive tomorrow, we shall gather again. Hey! And all the glory shall be ours. We, the Almighty.
How did you get in here and what the hell are you doing in my office? If I were you, I wouldn't be asking such stupid questions. Now sit down. You and I are going to be having a very long chat. So I want you to relax. Stay calm, okay? Just look at you. Look at you. You are a VC of a very big institution. Big one. Yes. You're a very stupid man. You killed my aunt's husband. You killed him because you feel that once he starts bleeding, you can have your way in his life. Surprised? But your stupidity made your family pay for it. And yet, you're not even moved. You still want to be the VC. To sit on this chair and feel like some important shit. The VC of an institution.
Ain't you stupid? Now I want you to say sorry. Say sorry for killing my aunt's husband and her son. I cannot say sorry for the crime I did not commit. I did not kill any man, nor his son. But you are the beast because you killed my family. And let me tell you, the blood of these people you have killed will come against you. And the law will catch up with you. Seriously? You still believe in the law? Huh? Listen, Agnes is my aunt. And I don't know if you understand where I'm coming from. You killed her husband. You murdered him. So that he will make way for you to have the wife. Then you tried again. And yet you failed. And then you went ahead to kill the son. Using the black cat confraternity. Listen to me. You see, today is going to be a very big, memorable day. It's going to be a day that will never be forgotten in the history of this institution. Mark my words. But a good thing is just a solution. For every problem lies a solution. The only thing that is going to stop the bloodshed that will flow in this campus today is you. I want you dead. You and your right-hand man, Silencer. Okay. Let me reverse this. Let me put it this way. I want you to resign as the VC of this great institution. And I want Silencer to graduate from this institution with immediate effect. As I speak to you now. But even with that, I still want you dead.
Excuse me, sir. Someone is outside there.
You, come on, sit down here. AK49 machine parade. Let the game begin. The war has already begun.
I have to go outside and join my brothers. I have a lot of action to do. Any blood that is spilled today is going to be on your head. And God will punish you. I've never killed anyone. No one. No one. I've never killed anybody. Like seriously? You're seriously saying that? Yes. Every day you give orders for people to be killed. You make a call. And die. But you sit down here and claim not to have killed anybody. You deceive yourself, not the people. Look at me. I have never, ever given an order for anybody to be killed before. You know why? Because I do it myself. I'm not a coward like you. And that's the difference between you and I. That is why I, the Almighty Caesar, of the Red Kings, am going to.
my mother for my personality. I can slit my father's throat for my personality. Then Caesar, imagine what I can do to you. Imagine what I can do to you. Where are you?
Shit! I missed. I'm going to one there.
Silencer! 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 I made you a promise. I told you, dead or alive, you will graduate from this university. That's all. No. Day of reckoning has come. Today, oh, Caesar. Why don't you give me a better song than that? Now listen to me, brother. Even a trailer load of military men armed to the teeth enough force me out of the campus. Not to talk of you and your dogs.
What? To call the great fake king? Your AK49.009 machine gun barrel and Caesar as a demon is mounted before you. I go in there. I go with one net. I go with one net. Hey! Tortoise! You tortoise! You! The foul tortoise!
Blood for blood! Fire for fire! Well, you don't see him now. You cannot no work. I have to iron no work. We'll try another level. I see.
It's okay. Book of Leviticus chapter 1 verse 1. For one leg. It's okay.
Wow. We fear nobody. We fear nobody. He keeps running. He keeps running. Go after the other guys. He keeps running. Silencer! Silencer! You keep running. For how long will you keep running? Give me the privilege of killing you. I have told you that you will graduate from this university, from this institution, dead or alive. Help me graduate, Silencer. Help me graduate. You're too old for the system. Leave her for Caesar. Silencer. Leave it for Caesar. Leave her for me.
Baba Sabi Ramba.
I am with the console.
You
don't palelo.
We don't run out of bullets.
You don't palelo now.
We don't run out of bullets.
And so,
No, we're dropping a weapon. Move to a man to man.
and so you talk out. I'm going to be holding still. I'm going to be holding still. Where you there now?
Where is Sapiaba?
This is AK49 009 machine gun Ferrara.
House and die, war to on the case and double in all free way.
I go where I want me. Great men have few words to speak. I dey tell you, but I didn't look my eye, go see my brother so. I say, back as for you, now we dey go down. I go walk for you, now we dey go down. I want to know Popo to you, now we dey go down. One day, they go see her. Pass out for your tire.
We dey go down.
Kabayo mo for you.
We dey swear.
Kabayo mo for you.
Guys, as it is now, I want you all back to the hostel. Please remain indoor. No coming out, not until you hear from me. Okay? As you can see, we have lost so much of our men. I don't want to lose another. Please. Or how everywhere rough like this now, if we come back, don't say you need back up to your country. Don't bother yourself. I can take care of myself. Okay? Beat it. That's okay. Now we dance. Beat it.
Wow.
Beat it.
Wow.
Beat it.
Like I was saying, the school has been shut down. And like, there's no point in anybody hanging around. I feel you guys should just go and see where everybody wants as for me, like this, I will be him and all his boys, for them all.
Well, I hear you. Score. But there's one reason why I took that oath. The reason why I gave my blood to be a red king, a supreme red king, is to watch your back. And the second reason why I became a strike chief is to see that anything that wants to as a fly, any shaking anywhere, come on, watch it down. Not at this time, but I'm going to leave you. I'm with you. We are together in this. I'm going nowhere, man. Flash, there's closed session, the closed semester, open semester. I don't know.
Looking for time machine palelo. Idea. Like this. I need to sell to underland. I need to sell and make the selling to be sweet. You understand? Let's listen to our point.
Cross, wait. My Rogarity and your Rogarity are not the same. I'm a strike. That's why I'm AK49.009 machine gun Pereira. I go where one day. The land that has a brother. I go Melese. The Agu in the spiritual world. The lion that lives amongst men, but is not seen physically.
Alaso Makpaye. To buy madu, to dog madu, to follow madu is my principle. To bubu madu, to anakanaka madu is my culture. To see the madu is being porous every night and day. It's my religion. What are you telling me? Chile!
009 Shingon Perere. Feel my rugged soul.
Well, you know, see, at a time like this, when there is no time,
Yes.
if you check, you will see a cross here against small points.
You're my point one.
As it be so like this, me, I would just like make a day lonely small. I just lonely up. I need more privacy, make I just stay solo. I'll reason out how I want to strike this guy down. I won't just do it alone. You understand?
Let's go. Do you want to hear that one? I don't say one song. It's okay. But as a sub now, you go to your crystal ball. You check on your Selena. You know everything now. But it is written, no, still no task, it has to be that. I don't belong. The matter they force us to yo. Ayagaya. Before we just try just and finish the matter.
Naomi,
It's you.
what a pleasant surprise.
You have to consider me as your mother. Please come home and see me this weekend. Are you done reading? She offended me. Mama is dying right there on the sick bed. All she wishes for is to see her son. Is that too much to ask? Are you going with me this weekend to the village?
Naomi, there's one thing I want you to get into your pretty head. There is no how I can forget my family. You know how much I love you. You're always at the forefront of my heart. I can never abandon my family. But you know something? I will come to see Mom, but it won't be this weekend.
Excuse upon excuse upon excuse. That's all what we keep hearing from you.
My hands are loaded.
Loaded with what? You're too busy to see your mother who's dying? Because as it is now, it looks like you're abandoning us just the way you did 20 years ago.
Naomi, you don't understand.
Understand what, brother? What am I
I'm not a kid. You won't be dragging me home. I'll come to home when I want to come home.
Your mother wants to see you.
I've just told you I'll come to see Mom. But at my own time. Oh, come on.
Now you're screaming at me.
No, Naomi, you don't understand. You don't understand. How can I? I know you. If I don't raise my voice, you won't let go. Okay? I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry. Okay? You're my best in the world. If I unveil what I am planning for you, if I unveil my plans for you, baby, you'll be laughing. Come on, put some smile on that pretty face. Stop looking like something they can't drag in, okay?
Only if you promise to go and see Mama with me this weekend.
There she go again.
Anyways, date you. All I know is that I have passed the message I was asked to come and give to you. If you like, you heed to them. If you like, you don't. She's your mother and she's mine. So, it's your call. Anyways, what do you have in your kitchen? Because I'm so famished.
You should know I don't cook here.
And I'm hungry. So what do we do?
That is not the problem. What do you want to eat?
Food.
Name what you want to eat.
Rice and chicken would do.
That's not a problem. I can get you more than that. Just make yourself comfortable. Let me get you something. You'll be fine, okay? Now, try a little smile. Huh? You look like something the cat dragged in.
But I'm hungry. Give me food and I'll smile.
Representing the red. Where is your tortoise our brother? This is AK49.009 machine gun Pereira. I brought a message to you from the vulture. The Red King, supreme combatant. You don't want to comply? Since you don't want to comply, Dotti. Says AK49.009 machine gun Pereira. It will better you lose a tortoise dog foul brother than your pretty soul. Anyway, remember to tell him that AK49.009 machine gun Pereira visited end of the Red King. Tries to dine and tries to mine, and tries again to make up 9. Good night, my new neighbor. Dotti, na Dotti.
Naomi! Oh no, Naomi, talk to me. How can I carry on? Oh my God. How can I carry on? The sun in my world. Naomi, talk to me. Oh my God. Naomi, talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me, Naomi. Oh my God. Where are you? Come right away. Come right away to my place. Don't ask me questions. Come over. Oh my God. That's why I see her.
I just came in from buying food for her. And this is what I made of my sister.
If you don't know who run this part of me, you know say now no bitter who ask questions where we already know the answer. No other person will run this thing.
The Red Kings. I know. Even if I'm a foolish, you're able to do that.
Execution like this will be huh?
Bible.
And like this will be
He looked me in the eyes. The August rain is due to fall. Heavy enough to drown a duck. Let's give them what they want. War. That is what they want.
Rugged. This guy not the hell. I'm a nigga. Huh? Abe? Ah, today not today. Wait, Alpha! Why are this monster? Rugged. Nah, it's all a Selena matter. The matter na Selena matter. Selena matter. Selena. Run down. Left king, run down. Yeah.
Because sometimes I want to on I said, and they understand, say me, and finally, when school resume, everybody in the campus will have peace. The Red King will remain only flats in the campus.
I guess I learned something a lot. Just watch your back. Because the program has been up to surprise.
So that tortoise is for power. Don't chase him now. Don't chase him. I be a from me. I be a savage. She's not here for the number. You know, she's not there.
She's like,
I go with it one day. You know, has a brother. Oh, don't put it on. Don't put it on. Now you go for it. Ah! Hey!
As this right now, we don't pursue her, we don't chase her.
Ajarasi.
We don't chase her.
The choco, the tea say na choco. If you see in head, you go the choco. And then the choco, the tea say na choco. If you show the attitude, the girl is on.
Fucking coward.
This is not chocolate job. Hey! I can win one day.
this side, get this man. I can shoot this man. I can tell him, say, I need to get
He said, I chocolate. We go break our head. And I did chocolate. Mama! We go break our head. You know the joke. And I did chocolate. He said, I chocolate. We go knock your stomach. But I did. Mama! He said, I chocolate. We go catch our dog.
What's up, man? What's up, man?
My God. All the time, question. Wow, I'm tired for you. Come. Watch that thing very well, though. I don't understand why you are watching that thing as if you have not eaten. What's that? You look on me at all.
But I don't like the way you're asking me this kind of question. Watakili.
See who is talking. I'm not a child. Babe, I'm your elder brother. What is wrong with you?
Besides,
Watch that thing properly.
I have another question to ask you.
You're always asking questions. What is it this time?
When is your school resuming?
When is my school resuming? I don't know. I'm not the reason why they closed the school at the first place. I don't know when we are. Does that answer your question?
Not for now. There's another question. Why is it that your school is always on strike?
It's not just my school. But you are so curious. When you get into university, you get to understand. But even at that, I'll give you one or two reasons why schools will go on strike. First, confraternity clashes. What I mean by confraternity is cults. Different cults fight. They fight themselves for one or two reasons, thereby making the school close down. That is one. Secondly, when the welfare of the staff of the university are not taken care of properly, they want to go on strike, thereby making this then shut down. Because that answer your question, woman.
For now. Ojubam, are you asking?
Use my phone. What that as well.
Don't come and accuse me now. House. And service. Good afternoon, sir.
Doing some washing.
Yes, sir.
That is doing.
Okay. Yes. He just went into the kitchen. Oh, okay, yes, you can sit.
Okay.
Oh, there's no problem.
Jesus! What's your name? Don't hold up the back! Any first move and I pump bullet into her neck. You don't have to do this. Now listen. You want her life. You want her life. One condition. Please don't! Listen to me. Don't do this! Tell me how to kill Caesar. Caesar, give me the method.
Listen, you can kill me, please. She's my only sister. She's my only sister.
Please don't do this. 1, please. 2, 3.
Listen, you are a dead man! Run! Run, Celestia! Run!
Mama. Mama.
Oh! I'm going to say for one.
You too. I'm so surprised with you. Eh? No information, just like that.
School. We are doing kind of why not taking somebody, all these bad boys. So I want everything to be calm before I go back to school. So just forget about those things. I want to eat it. I've been a long time.
This is payback day.
Mama! Mama! Celesta! Mama! 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 What am I doing to myself, mommy? Don't do this to me. Mama! Mama!
Well done, sir. Good evening.
How are you, my son?
I'm fine, sir.
How may I help you?
I guess you're the father to AK49 machine gun Pereira.
AK Pereira.
But you do have a son, Charles, by name on campus.
Yes, Charles is my son. He's in the university. Did you send him today?
Okay, that's the message he gave me for you.
Oh, he sent a message to me?
Yeah.
Okay, how did he
I have sold some of my goods, some of my wrappers and the land, just to give you the best. As your mother, please. I don't want when you get to the university, you begin to join all those bad boys, all those good boys, please. Yes, because I have heard a lot of bad stories about the university boys and girls. Please, I want you to be able. I want you to make me proud as your mother. Don't ever make me regret my sufferings towards you. Please, I want you to wipe out my tears in my eyes. Please, my son, be a good boy.
Mama, you don't need to say all these things. You know I've been a good boy. I know the reason why I'm going to school. After my graduation, I will make sure by His grace if I get a job, I will build a house for you. I will buy you a big car. I will buy you all these wrappers, all these things that you sold to make sure that I go to school. Wait, see. You know that all I ever wished is to make sure that I'm happy. I want to join bad boys. I have been when I go to university to get knowledge that will help me in my life. See that time that I will then decide to join bad guys when I don't do that in this village. After all the advice, after all the promises I made to my mother, this is how she ended up. Silencer killed my mother. Silencer came to my house and killed my mother. But I swear with the last drop of my blood,
pass and by will kill any black cat in this world, anywhere, anytime, any moment, any place in this world I see black cats, especially Silencer. I will kill Silencer. I will return with his head. I swear.
It's my fault. It's my fault he killed my sister. Silencer killed my sister because of me. Because I'm a military man. I promised my parents, my late parents, I was going to take care of my only sister. I was going to make sure she graduates from a federal university. Now she's dead because they wanted me.
Silencer killed my sister!
Black cats, wherever you all should run! Run! Because I will kill and kill and kill.
I go that they feel on that pain, and they feel like they touch me. Thinking when get man who don't get no be the same, and different hour than they holler. But you know just the be. If I touch them, they go collect. No Martina. Collect. No Martina. Oh! Nothing I don't you. Nothing I don't you. It don't rain again. It don't rain again. Oh! AK49, AK49, AK49. Oh! This is AK49.009 machine gun banana. Abu Waribo, Abu Waribo, Abu Melese. Melese Yagu ni Melese. Papa, Akiba, send him necessary furniture. Send him necessary furniture. Dirty. Yummy. Great Rocky. Rocket. As a rocket entity, as a rocket mboya koko, as a rocket patapata, rocketity is my identity. No ma. Because I have the ability to sustain any calamity. No ma. With my overlapping morale. No ma. Hey! But it is one thing that Koyomoya Gana say, I go to go mad. See. Anaka is my agenda. It's normal. Shooting mad is my principle. Normal. Cutting mad. Normal. It's my tradition. But mad is my religion. Normal. Before my very eyes. Ruggedity is in my liver. Are you not feeling my rugged suit? I'm feeling your rugged suit. The eggs of the crocodiles have been burst, and the claws on those eggs have stained the eyes of the beautiful man. Give it tonight, voice out. Hey! Voice out. Ahu, Akamayina! Yogumoya Kamanina! What did I kill the day? I say, Mama, what I know now? I
Abanje! No! Abanje say why? Abanje say live for see! For Kuro I, my papa, my pops in London, my papa Saka, my own papa in Kenya, where I call daddy, papa. Oh. You know that in just sleep, but the blood is they cry from the ground. Listen to me. See, if Anaka on my agenda, there's nothing about it. But if that didn't remember the day I swore that oath, I swore. I said, if only everything. Where is Alasa? Oh, not the good one. Oh, the good one. Yeah. See, I don't care. Will you believe me? I don't care. See, you don't understand me. About you don't understand me. About me, see. I swear, that bastard, Ajina Risho, Chikamana collect. Listen to me. If you come out here now, we must carry a score.
No, ma.
More than a small picking, anyone will jump. See, anyone will jump.
Go collect. Go collect.
I want them to hear my story. I want people to hear my story. We go to Ehumadu till we die. Echo, I want people to hear my story. I want people to hear my story. I don't believe I don't ready. I want people to hear my story. We got Ehumadu till we die. My story. I wanted to hear my story. I wanted to hear my story. This is AK49. Okay. man don say for over 60 years. Over 70 years for campus. If their blood don white. You shout that don white. I said the man is not you. I can see one now. I can pray.
That man know the dance. Go collect her like virus. You know the kiss virus.
Let not the paws of the crocodile stay in the eyes of the beautiful mermaid. Before the time of sun and before the time of nightfall, let your soul go far away.
Do me a favor. Speak. Do me a favor. Find a place in your heart. Do what? And do me a favor. A minute before I die, please take my message to Caesar. Tell Caesar I'm dead. Falco, tell him I am not going to rest in peace. Because all my existence in the land of the dead, I'm going to hunt all them that have hand in my death. I shall hunt you down, and that includes you. AK49, the man machine gun Aforevo. Speak! The Son of Man shall resurrect in a mysterious way.
I swear to God, I swear to the devil, I swear to the demons, if you come back again, you'll be like a fly.
Yes, for you.
You go get leg again.
Get man.
The fly is the fly.
Get man.
Come on, run this bastard this side. Make sure his head is face down. Let his head face down. Please.
Yes.
Face his head down. Bring his head down.
Yes.
Let his head face down.
Yes. I just
Space out. Space out. Make a wire out. Come on, Imo. Focus you all on your power on the grave. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on.
Any movement, I shoot. Any movement, I shoot. This is AK49 for 0 and the support around. Any of you make any attempt, any of you make any silly attempt, I will lock you down. Move!
Thank you.